Hello, let's have a look at the new tyres. Trailmax Missions. Got to scrub them in.
Strapping lads and lassies. This ain't your average travel vlog. It's throttle, grit and glory. Let's ride. Yo, it's the Scottish biker, revving loud and clear. From the Highlands to the Alps, shifting every gear.
First impressions, Tiger handles totally different to Metzler's OEMs. Two runs up and on it in the didn't like the handling, so I'll give you a in-depth review once I've scrubbed them in a wee bit. But till now, it handles totally differently, steers differently, the front tyre feels different, a wee bit more road noise, but that's to be expected. 50-50 with that profile, and I accept that because that's the kind of tyre I like. So I like tyres with a deeper profile. I'm not a racer, so for me it's a good compromise. So anyway, we'll go for a run, scrub them in a wee bit, getting ready for the ABR. That's one of the reasons why I changed the tyres, of course, but not the only reason, because like I said, I wasn't really keen on the other tyres. They weren't actually, when I was on the Tour de Faf, I noticed that I wasn't able to ride the way I usually like, the way I like to ride, so that's the reason why I changed them. It was needing a service anyway, and killed two birds with one stone. Service and tyre change, front brakes. Well, I've not had the bill yet, so I don't know what it's going to cost. My dealer, he's going to make the bill up. Like I said, everybody's got an opinion about tyres, and I think it depends on which road biased. So I would imagine that not many people would put these kind of tyres on the GT Pro, maybe on the Rally Pro. Still taking a bit easy. The tyres are I've not even done 100 km. You could easily sit on the motorway at 120 km an hour with these tyres, probably even faster. But like I said in the beginning, I'm not a racer. For me, this is a bit of a test. I don't know if I would call it a test, but just to see. Next Wednesday I leave for the ABR, and I'll be riding for here to Droitwich, and I'll be on the motorway. So it's a nice idea to get a feeling of how these tyres perform on the motorway. Until now, I'm pretty impressed. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I see a lot of my people that watch my videos aren't subscribed, so please subscribe, like, comment, let me know if you want to see other things. Thanks again, and ride safe.